The first code-approved, on-site 3D printed home in the state of California is being built up in Redding by Emergent 3D with Chico State mechatronic engineering major Jeremy Mills on the front line.
Yeah, it's super exciting. It's kind of cool and an honor to be like somebody who's involved in like creating the protocols and the processes that are going to make this industry succeed.
Mills, who's set to graduate in December, began working with Emergent 3D in June as a print operator and says his time at Chico State has greatly prepared him to step into the role.
I have all of the experience to know how the control system of this thing works. My motor-sizing class particularly was very helpful for this. I know the electronics, what should go where.
This past Tuesday, Mills got to show off those skills in front of a crowd as Emergent 3D held a special informative event at the job site with plenty of Chico State professors and students on hand.
I'm definitely interested in being a part of this advanced technology in the future, especially once I graduate. For them to give us the opportunity to come out and just take a view of what they're doing and just answer all our questions just gets me excited to be a part of this.
And many more Chico State students likely will get to be a part of it in the near future, as Emergent 3D and the College of ECC here on campus have formed a special working relationship with one another.
It's important for us to train up the next generation workforce. And so going back to our partnership with CSU Chico, we want to help future-proof our youth as robotics will continue more and more to be in every industry.
The good news is we have students who are well placed to offer a lot in many elements of 3D printing construction, and I think that there's a lot of opportunity for future, progress in a lot of these fields. So as we get our feet wet with more and more builds, I think that the sky's the limit. There's a lot that we can do here, and there's a lot of good that can come of this.